Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss next topic of chapter body movement. Okay, in previous class we had discussed topic that is a ball and socket joint. Okay, now today we are going to discuss next topic that is a pivot joint. Okay, pivot joint, or we can say that pivotal joint. Clear? So first you write pivotal joint. What is pivotal joint? Pivotal joints. Okay. The ball or stick type of joint is called a pivotal joint. The ball on a stick. The ball on a stick type of joint is called what? Pivotal joint. Pivotal joint. Clear? This is a pivotal joint. What is the pivotal joint? What is the function of pivotal joint? The pivotal joint allows movement in many planes, up and down, side by side. Okay, clear? Up and down and side by side. Clear? The joint of skull to the first two vertebrae of a backbone is a pivotal joint. Clear? Now next joint is hinge joint. Hinge joint. What is hinge joint? The joint which allows movement only in one plane and only up to 180 degree is called a hinge joint. Clear? A joint which allows movement only in one plane and only up to 180 degree is called a hinge joint. Clear? Means that joint which allow movement in only one plane and up to 180 degree, means up to 180 degree you can move that joint, move that bone, is called a hinge joint. Clear? The knee joint is a hinge joint. Knee joint means जो आपके घुटनों में होता है जो जॉइंट है दैट इज अ हिंज जॉइंट, बिकॉज आप अपने पैर को क्या करें, फोल्ड करते हैं, ओपन करते हैं, फोल्ड करते हैं, ओपन करते हैं. दिस एल्बो जॉइंट इज आल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ हिंज जॉइंट. क्लियर? दीज आर द हिंज जॉइंट्स. Now, next, gliding joint. Gliding joint means what? The joint which allows only a limited movement, due to sliding nature, of cartilages. Clear? Is called gliding joint. Okay? Means the joint which allows only a limited movement due to sliding nature of cartilage is called a gliding joint. Movable joint of the backbone are a gliding joint. Movable joint of backbone आपके बैकबोन पे कुछ मूवेबल जॉइंट्स हैं, दैट इज अ ग्लाइडिंग. वो केवल स्लाइड करती हैं ऊपर नीचे और साइड बाय साइड स्लाइडिंग करते हैं. क्लियर? दैट इज अ ग्लाइडिंग जॉइंट. क्लियर? ओके. नेक्स्ट देयर इज सम क्वेश्चंस. फर्स्ट यू नोट इट. Okay, now class, we are going to discuss some questions which is given on the page number 110. Okay, on page number 110, there is a question. First question says that name the movement of an organ bodily from one place to another. That is a what? That is a locomotion. That is locomotion. Write down. Locomotion. Okay. Mention one of the most important movement of our body. Mention one of the most important movement of our body. That is muscles of heart. Okay. Now third, name the type of bone joint we have in your knee. Name the type of bone joint that in your knee. That is a hinge joint. That is hinge joint. Clear? Now fourth, give location of the zipper-like fixed joint in your body. Name the location. Give location of the zipper-like fixed joint. Okay. Where is the location? That is the zipper-like joint of location is in brain. In brain. Okay. Brain case. That is cranium. That is cranium. Okay. Now fifth question is what? Fifth question is name the tissue which holds bone together at the joint. That is ligament. That is ligaments. Clear? These are the answers of the questions. Okay. First note it. Okay, class. Now we are going to discuss next topic. The topic is the skeleton system. Okay, the skeleton system. What is the skeleton system? Note on it. The framework. The framework of bones. The framework of bones and and cartilages which which supports the body of an animal or human is called its skeletal system. Its skeleton system. Clear? The framework of bones and cartilage which support the body of an animal or a human is called a skeletal system. Means the framework, ऐसा framework जिस पे body सारी depend रहती है, ठीक है? Means that body depends on that framework which is made by the help of bones and cartilages. Okay, clear? That is known as skeletal system. Clear? The skeletal system body, as you know that the skeletal system body is made up of bones, and you know that there are number of bones in your body, in adult body, that is 206 bones. Okay, bones are hard, cartilage is soft and elasticity. Okay, आपको पता है, you know that, everyone know that bones are hard and cartilages are what? Soft and elastic nature. Okay, clear? Now the skeletal system of human body consists of skull, backbone, ribs, breastbone, bones in arms and legs, shoulder bone, hip or pelvic bone. These are the bones which are considered in a skeletal system. Clear? Or we can say that it is a part of a skeletal system. Clear? Okay, note it. Okay, now we will discuss next topic. Function of the skeletal system. Next is function of the skeleton system. Clear? Function of the skeleton system. The skeleton system has the following functions. First function, it forms framework of the body. Clear? Now second, it helps to protect and keep the delicate organs of the body in their proper position. Means ये delicate means कुछ important organs को protect करती है and keep them in fixed position. Clear? For example, the bony cage made by the breastbone, ribs and the backbone protects heart and lungs. Clear? The brain is protected by the bone in the skull. Your brain is very soft and that is protected by a skull. Okay? The backbone protects the spinal cord, and you know that your backbone, in that backbone there is a spinal cord which is protected by the backbone. Clear? It provides next what? It provides support and gives shape. Means second function, it gives shapes and provides support to the body. Clear? Clear? Now next, with the help of muscles, it helps in movement of various parts of our body. Okay? For example, any movement of our arms or legs is supported by the muscles in these body parts of the body. Okay? Means any movement is supported by what? Muscles of that part of body. Clear? Okay. Now bones can be photographed by X-ray. You know that अगर कभी bone break होती है या कोई crack होता है तो डॉक्टर्स प्रिफर करते हैं व्हाट? एक्सरे के लिए. ठीक है, एक्सरे के लिए सजेस्ट करते हैं. ओके, बिकॉज एक्सरे ही बोन्स का फोटोग्राफी करता है, क्लियर। बिकॉज, क्यों? बिकॉज एक्सरे कैन नॉट पास थ्रू बोन्स, एक्सरे जो होता है वो बोन्स के थ्रू पास नहीं करता है। डॉक्टर्स यूज सच फोटोग्राफ्स टू एग्जामिन एनी फ्रैक्चर और डिसलोकेशन ऑफ द बोन्स, क्लियर। ओके, नोट। Okay, we'll discuss next topic, that is various organs of the skeleton system, clear. Various organs of skeleton system, we will discuss this topic in next class, clear. Okay, all of you revise it, clear. Okay, thank you to everyone. Okay, and happy Dasara to all of you, clear.